Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both the PC and the mobile device before any connection attempt. On the phone, enable developer options and USB debugging in settings. Install a file manager app that supports SMB or FTP, like Solid Explorer or Files. On the PC, enable file sharing and verify the firewall allows SMB port 445 or FTP port 21. Confirm both devices are on the same network and note the PC IP address, such as 192, 168, 110 for later use. Choose a connection method that fits your needs before transferring files. For USB transfers, use a USB 3.0 cable and set the phone to File Transfer (MTP) mode. For wired network transfers, use Ethernet or a stable Wi-Fi connection with at least 100 Mbps when possible. To access the PC over the network, open the file manager and enter SMB//192, 168, 110 or FTP//192, 168, 11021. Authenticate with your PC username and password when prompted. Once connected, navigate to the shared folders on the remote PC to manage files. Use drag and drop to copy files, or use cut and paste to move files between locations. Monitor transfer speed to anticipate completion times. Expect USB 3.0 maximum speeds or limits set by a 100 Mbps Ethernet link. Set file permissions if needed and create new folders to organize content. When finished, safely disconnect by unmounting MTP or closing the SMB or FTP session in the file manager.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.